Yeah, now you start.
Okay, how are you?
Yeah, I'm great. Thank you for asking about me. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm also in the pink of health. Everything is going very fantastic.
Okay.
So, how was your day today?
Yeah, my day is very good, very good. I'm having a lot of I am having fun. Okay, and learning English. So
Okay, good.
so now I'd like to know about you a little bit, and then we will have
So,
another topic and discuss for a while. Actually, it's getting dark, so we don't have much time.
yeah, sure. As we are meeting very first time, so we can introduce each other. Then we can go for the further conversation.
Yeah.
So, this is Ali. I belong to Uttar Pradesh. When it comes to my profession, I'm working as an accountant. Apart from this, I'm graduate person these days. Just I am enjoying, and whenever I get free time, so I love to talk some cool learners and YouTuber with a view to enhance my communication skill and share my knowledge. Yeah, this is all about me.
Okay. So what is your profession?
I'm working as an accountant. Before this, just I was working as a teacher. I was a computer teacher.
Okay, 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 very good. So now,
Yeah,
so when
actually,
did
I want to
you?
listen to you. Would you mind? Yeah, telling something about you.
Yeah, why not? I'm Gandhar Kumar Yadav. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, Bhadami district also, and I did BCA. And my hobbies are reading books, talking with the stranger. And my father is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. We live in a village, and that is my introduction. And yeah. So
Okay.
when did you came to know this application?
Yeah, actually, I came to know this application for a long time. I came to know, I think, more than 1 year. It's more than
1 year.
1 year. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
It's more than 1 year.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why are you learning English?
There are many reasons for learning this language. First of all, this is my passion to speak this language, and it was my dream. It was my childhood dream. I wanted to learn this language. I wanted to use this language in my spoken journey, speaking journey. So I was just memorizing the things. How could I speak? But in childhood, memorizing the things is not going to happen, not going to work. So yeah, actually, when I came to know about the applications, about the things, yeah, I can speak some strangers, some cool learners. Then I started learning, and now I am able to talk to
So
any.
it is your childhood dream. It is your child dream. So why did you take that much time?
Actually, it was my childhood dream when I was studying in class 9th and 10th. That time I was just focusing English language, English subject. I was weak in English, so just I was thinking about I wish could I speak English like this. I was thinking about I wish could I translate very well. Okay, at that point of time, just I was thinking about how to read the books, how to translate the things, because at that point of time I was not able to think about the spoken journey. So first of all, just I was thinking about how could I go through the a good learner. Okay, so it was my dream. Then after, if I talk about the spoken part, so in my childhood, I didn't get any atmosphere of English language because, as you know, that internet era came last 5 to 10 years. Okay, at that point of time, it was not internet era, and it was not like many application that the people can go through the this kind of activities. So there was an institute available at that point of time that were providing the an English language training, but in my village area there was no any an institute that such that I had to go, and there I can find out some spoken classes. So finally, uh,
Yeah. Okay.
before
Okay. That's
2 years,
great. Okay. Okay. May I know your age? What is your age?
yeah, I am more than 30. It's near
30,
about.
30. Are you
Yeah,
married?
yeah, I'm a married person. I have 2 kids as well.
Okay. So, do you have any children or not?
Yeah, I have 2 kids.
Two kids.
Yeah,
So what do they do?
actually, first one is started going to the school because it's near 5 years old. The second one is very small, so it's he's playing here and there along
So
with
you're
parents.
a father. So can I know? Actually, I married last year. in
Mhm.
last year. So, can I know about what is your responsibility towards them? Actually, what is your responsibility? You are a father now, so what is your responsibility towards them? Just
Towards
explain
my
a little bit.
towards my children, towards my family, right?
Uh,
Like every parents have a lot of responsibility towards their children, towards their family. So the same responsibility I have as well. If I talk about my responsibilities, so providing different uh, daily daily uses thing. This is my first responsibility. The thing is that responsibility that mean we have to provide a good education, we have to provide good shelter and food. There are few things are very important to go through this kind of lifestyle. So this is my responsibility as well. I have to provide my to my children good education. I have to provide good shelter and good fooding system and the clothing as well. So these are the things, the basic things we have to go through the this kind of lifestyle. Instead of this, yeah, moral also very important for the kids. Moral is very important. If we are going to make our kids how to respect other, how to do something better, and what is wrong and what is right, so it would be more better for their life.
okay, so let me ask one thing is that can you share your any experience so that I can and get inspired? Any experience?
Mm-hmm.
Your life actually you are 30 plus, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, so I am 21. So actually, this age is very, shaking. At this age, there are so many dilemma and very confusion what to do, what not to do, and you know,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I got it, your point.
yeah.
Actually, if I talk about, when we go through the lifestyle and we think about what should I do, what should I not do. So I believe that, the right thing available in our heart, whatever your mind is telling, whatever the people is telling, whatever you are getting suggestion. But after all, in the inside of your heart, something is true, something is fact available. If you are going to do something wrong, maybe you are going to do something wrong, but your heart is telling this is wrong. You want to do a study a lot, you are not doing. At that point of time, your physical things is not supporting to you, but your mind and your heart supporting to you. Your heart is saying to you, yeah, this is wrong and you are not doing better for this, and it would be not good for the career. So always I would say here, always just you try to follow your
Your
heart,
heart
whatever
and
you want to do.
yeah, you. What is your heart saying, and just follow
Yeah.
them. Yeah, now and make another point. Point.
Mm. And another point that sometimes what happens, you are well educated and your mindset is telling something good, but I believe that somewhere when the experienced person is telling something, to we should think about that experience. Because if maybe you are 20 years old and I'm 30 years old, okay, I have a life experience. I i can tell you better of the life experience. The same things, if someone above of you in aged person is something, they are sharing their knowledge and is something is telling something, so we must think about that person, because they have already passed this kind of
Okay,
pass away this kind of journey, so they can
let
better
me.
tell us.
Yeah, yeah, okay, you explained it very good, and I will follow your recommendation. So let me ask another question: is that how important is consistency in our life? Consistency, consistency.
Yeah, consistency is very important, because consistency is matter. That means we have to follow each and every day. We have to do something in each every day. Like if you want to become a army man, okay, so you have to run every day. And before the opening, before going to the army training or army test, if you are going to run before 1 month, so it will not work. You have to do hard work for a long time. The same thing, consistency. Like if you want to become an engineer, if you want to become a doctor, so for this you have to be consistent. You know the things, what is necessary for me and what is not necessary for me. So in this way, consistency is very important. In terms of the English language, consistency is very important, because when we are going to break out it will not work upon it. So
So
everywhere
yeah,
consistency is very important.
yeah. Just now let's move another topic with another topic. Is that should I run after money or education? What is important in my life?
Both are very important. I can't deny to anyone. But yeah,
Yeah.
education, I
What
believe that education is
what
very
is the
important
most
because
is
yeah,
the most important?
in my terms of education is very important because if you are going to run after the money, maybe you have a lot of money. One day it will die. It will expense all other things if you don't have mind, if you don't have idea. If you are not educated, you are not able to understand where should I use it, where should I take it out. So
Why
maybe
don't you
in
take
the
a seat
one
here?
day it would
Sit
lost.
properly and then
But
explain.
yeah.
You are running here and there. Why don't you take a seat and talk?
Okay, just I'm going to stop one
Okay,
place.
it is also good. Okay, it is also good. I am not telling.
Yeah, actually, just I came on the roof and I was thinking about to
Okay,
go through the
yeah,
conversation
go,
and
go,
came
go
to
ahead.
I.
Go ahead.
Okay,
Go ahead.
it's no issue for me. So actually, what I believe that if you are educated, so you can think about the money. How could I expense it? Because every educated person, I can't say every educated person, but at least lot of educated person, they know how to utilize the money. Where should I expense it? Where should I use it? And then after they earn a lot of money as well. They could be a businessman. They could be a on self-employed. They can do many things. So in my terms of education is very important.
Yeah. Okay.
But
So can I ask you something? And let's fix the time today, and let's do translation into English. Okay. I will send some images, and then you prepare, and also I will prepare, and let's translate Hindi to English. Okay. It would be
okay.
good for me and also for you, and
Mm-hmm.
also for my viewers. Actually, I have 5,500 subscriber plus on YouTube.
Oh,
So yeah. So
okay.
why don't you help me in this?
Hmm. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
So that means you want to go through the Hindi to English translation in the video call,
Right.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. That
So
is good.
let's
I
fix
will
the
try to
time
come.
tomorrow. Okay. So which time
Hmm.
should I call you tomorrow? It would be
I think this
afternoon.
is the time will
Okay.
be good for me.
Acha, this is
The
the
same
time.
time
Okay.
will
Okay.
be
You,
good
you
for
are
me. Yeah,
working
yeah.
for as an
You
accountant.
can
I
you
can
can
understand.
request me before yeah, you can request me after the 6 o'clock. Then as per the time we can go for the rapid fire.
So now it's getting dark, so we are not visible properly. So let's meet
Mhm.
another time. Okay. Have a nice day. Take care.